If we count the little folds of our intestine, the total surface area is about 3,000 square feet, larger than a tennis court. This huge surface area of our gut is home to trillions of microorganisms or bacteria, forming what is known as our microbiome. If we have good bacteria lining our intestinal walls, then they boost our immune system, improve digestion and nutrient absorption, make vitamins, and inhibit the growth of potential pathogens. If we have bad bacteria take root in intestinal walls, then they can produce carcinogens, putrefy protein in our gut, produce toxins, mess up our bowel function, and cause infections. The 3,000 square feet of our intestine has a single cell layer that serves as a critical barrier between the digestive tract and the rest of our body. When this barrier becomes compromised, a condition often referred to as leaky gut, it allows substances like undigested food particles, bacteria, and toxins to pass into the bloodstream. This breach can trigger systemic inflammation and has been linked to various health issues.
Primary fuel that keeps this critical cell layer alive is a short chain fatty acid called butyrate, which our good bacteria make from the fiber we eat. We feed the good bacteria in our gut, and they feed us right back. They take the prebiotics we eat, like fiber, and in return provide the vital fuel source that feeds the cells that line our colon. A prototypical example of the kind of symbiosis between us and our gut flora.
So, we earlier thought fiber is only good for bowel movement, but now we know fiber does much more. Fiber is the main prebiotic that our good gut bacteria needs to keep us healthy.
So that's one reason why fiber can be so anti-inflammatory. One of the reasons fiber intake is critical for optimal health. Not fiber supplements, but whole plant foods. Fiber supplementation with something like Metamucil may not replicate the results seen with a diet naturally high in fiber.
So, the fiber must come from whole plant foods: beans, lentils, whole grains, vegetables, fruits, and nuts, and not from supplements or pills. Optimal health strategy requires us not only to foster the growth of the good microbiome, but also to minimize the growth of bad gut bacteria. So, what should we do or not do to control the growth of the bad bacteria?
But if we eat a lot of meat, poultry, fish, milk, cheese, eggs, we can foster the growth of bacteria that convert the choline and carnitine in these foods into TMA, trimethylamine, which can be oxidized into TMAO and wreak havoc on our arteries, increasing our risk of heart attack, stroke, and death.